Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate mug cake in the microwave, and I have 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, or you could use cake flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar. I'm going to do 4 teaspoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, about 1/8 teaspoon of salt, or just a pinch of salt, and then 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm going to give this a good little mix here, and this is going to break up any clumps that you might have with that cocoa powder. 3 tablespoons of water. I'm using filtered water. You can also use milk or a combination of the two. You could use almond milk if you want. And then 1 tablespoon of oil. And then come back in with the fork and let's give this a good mix. And then also, if you wanted to, you could use 3 tablespoons of coffee instead of that water. And that'll help bring out the chocolate flavor. Into the microwave it goes. In my microwave, 1:30 is perfect, but mine's a 1200 watt microwave. So if you have a lower wattage microwave, you might need to do it for a little bit longer, like 1:45, even 2 minutes. Okay? And when it comes out of the microwave, it'll look something like this. And then if you poke it with a toothpick, the toothpick should come out clean, just like that, super clean, ready to go. Awesome. Let's take a little bit of powdered sugar. Look at that. Nice and fluffy. It is really good for how simple it is.